Hi, this is my 11th ICStation video and the 4th one, which was sponsored by the ICStation. Thank you for your support, ICStation. This is a clock, a special clock where you can see the hours and minutes on a 7-segment display, and around each second represented by one light emitting diode. It is an interesting clock circuit because it contains a lot of surface mounted device. These ICs, for example, be careful because they are two types. One is different from the other two, and a lot of resistor here, but it is also not the same values, so be careful which value is in which position. And the main microcontroller is from Atmel. It's a 51 derivative AT89C2051. It has 3 buttons. This is a reset button, this is for time setting, this is for alarm setting, and here is a temperature sensor, so it is also able to measure the temperature. Let's see how is it working. If you apply the power, then it will start at noon, or if you press the reset, it is always set it to noon. The setting is very easy. If you press the timer button, then the clock will counting faster than normally, and for example it is 1:15, then it is set now. And let's set an alarm for example, the alarm default is in the morning, that's why I must wait for a little longer. Okay, now it is set it. And as you can hear, it is producing a tick-tock sound from the buzzer. So it is working like a real mechanical clock. Now the time is the same as in the alarm was set it, so it is producing a sound, and it is hearable in this minute. So after 1 minute it will stop automatically, or if you press the button. But be careful, do not press the reset button, because in that case you will reset both the time and the alarm setting, and you have to set them again. Let's see how it will finished. It's a little annoying, but if you want to wake up, the annoying sound is the best. So now you can see it is stopped itself. So it was also a good soldering practice for me. I like soldering, and the panel is excellent, very good quality. The components are also. So I suggest you to build such a clock. I show you the web page, ICStation web page, where you can buy it, and don't forget the 15% discount. You can reach this if you apply the coupon code, which is available in the video description. I hope you find this video useful, and if you think my channel is useful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.